In this geography series, we will explore 6 important topics about our planet. We will learn how Earth systems work and how they shape life around us. In this episode, we will study the atmosphere, weather and climate, the water cycle, ocean currents, Earth's ecosystems, and natural hazards. Each lesson will help you understand our planet in a simple and clear way. Today, we begin with the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds our planet. It extends hundreds of kilometers above Earth's surface. This invisible ocean of air protects life and makes our planet habitable. Without the atmosphere, Earth would be a cold and lifeless world. The atmosphere plays a vital role in supporting life. It provides the oxygen we breathe. It protects the planet from dangerous radiation from the sun. It also helps control Earth's temperature. Without this protective layer, life on Earth could not survive. Air is not a single substance. It is a mixture of different gases. About 78% of the atmosphere is nitrogen. Around 21% is oxygen. The remaining small portion contains gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Earth's gravity keeps the atmosphere close to the planet. Gravity pulls the gases toward Earth's surface and prevents them from escaping into space. Because of gravity, the atmosphere becomes thinner as we move higher above the ground. Air has weight, even though we cannot see it. This weight creates atmospheric pressure. The pressure is strongest near Earth's surface and becomes weaker at higher altitudes. That is why breathing becomes more difficult on very high mountains. Scientists divide the atmosphere into several layers. Each layer has different temperatures, pressures, and characteristics. These layers help scientists understand how weather, climate, and space conditions work. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is called the Troposphere. This is the layer where we live. Almost all weather happens here. Clouds form, winds move, and rain and snow fall in the Troposphere. Paragraph above the Troposphere is the Stratosphere. This layer contains the ozone layer. The ozone layer absorbs much of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Because of this protection, life on Earth can exist safely. The Mesosphere lies above the Stratosphere. It is one of the coldest regions of Earth's atmosphere. Most meteors burn up in this layer before they can reach the ground. This protects our planet from many space rocks. Above the Mesosphere is the Thermosphere. Temperatures in this layer can become extremely high. This is also where beautiful auroras appear near the polar regions. These glowing lights are caused by interactions between solar particles and Earth's magnetic field. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is called the Exosphere. This region slowly fades into outer space. Some satellites orbit Earth within this layer. Here, the air becomes extremely thin and particles can escape into space. The atmosphere plays a key role in Earth's climate system. It moves heat around the planet through winds and air circulation. These movements help balance temperatures between the equator and the polar regions. The atmosphere also controls the movement of water on Earth. Water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers. It rises into the atmosphere, forms clouds, and eventually returns as rain or snow. This continuous process is known as the water cycle. Although the atmosphere protects life, it is also delicate. Human activities such as pollution and greenhouse gas emissions can change its balance. Understanding the atmosphere helps us protect the planet for future generations. Scientists study the atmosphere to better understand weather, climate change, and natural hazards. By studying the atmosphere, we can improve weather forecasts and learn how our planet is changing. This knowledge helps societies prepare for the future. Which layer of the atmosphere burns up most meteors before they reach Earth? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere.